Hello, November 26th, 2:02 Central Daylight Savings Time in Wisconsin, USA. This struck me. This spot. Look at these earthquakes. 6.9 on November 24th, 7.6 on November 24th, 7.6, 4.6, 5.4, 4.6, 4.6, 4.3, 6.7 in the same area. Usually the earthquakes go down, not get big again. That's really highly unusual. And telecast in the same line of area. Thought you'd like to see that. Let's just back up a little and see what else is going on. The red ones are all within the last 6 hours. So this one, these here. And then it's yellow, and then orange, and then gray. And let's look over here. Huh. That's interesting that none over in this area in the last 6 hours. It's highly unusual. But it looks to me like this area is getting hit by something intense. And I wish that I could move this up, but I can't for some reason. I can move this down, but it doesn't really get the whole picture on here. So I'm sorry about that. Once again, this latest earthquake, excuse me, this latest earthquake was 5:45 GMT time. Thanks.